Have you been searching for the perfect SUV with safety and reliability without breaking the bank? We'll take a look at this 2021 Ford Bronco Black Diamond in Area 51 with HID headlamps, front fog lamps, 17-inch aluminum wheels, Sasquatch package, front bucket seating, steering wheel mounted audio controls, 54,000 miles on the odometer, 8-inch touchscreen, split folding rear seats, remote start system, 2.7-liter turbocharged V6 engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at MarinoCJD.com, stock number D7551.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX vehicle history report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX buyback guarantee.